Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a super fun way to do cross crawls and squat and work on your ability to bounce at the same time. So really, this is just a great way to stay mentally agile and physically young throughout your life. And all you do is, you do cross crawls, and you want to time the release of the cross crawl and the step in such a way that you smoothly catch yourself landing from a squat. And again, this is a super fun way to do cross crawls and squats and work on your ability to absorb force to help strengthen your springs so you can bounce throughout life from day to day. And that's it. Now you can also do the same thing with the CrossCrawl PushUp, which I showed on an earlier video, and you can try to time that to absorb bounce with your push-up. And it looks something like you touch, you release and catch. Push back up, you touch, release and catch. And it makes you sound louder when you catch yourself and you're talking. So you touch, release and catch, touch, release and catch. Another great way again to combine your cross crawls with your push-ups to develop bounce in your pushing, punching power. It's simple, it's fun, and it's effective. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.